Thank you all for your hard work of this restaurant. Grace, thank you for showing kindness to a stranger when nobody knew who I really was. Grace, this isn't a reward, it's a responsibility.
I trust your honesty more than anything money can buy. Sir,
Grace, today your life changes.
but success changed the kindness that brought you here.
From today, Grace is the owner. Honesty and hard work are never wasted.
Thank you, Ethan.
Then your first decision starts now.
Starts now. From today, we are one family.
Remember, a true leader serves before leading.
That's why I chose you.
Thank you, Ethan.
All right, everyone.